Be making basics.
All right, y'all. So now that we have our logo designed and we have our beat store, we know the elements. Okay. We want to go ahead and get started on this. Now, with me personally, in this first part of the course, I'm really going to just focus on building a site from scratch. Okay. How you do that is you're going to go up here to the plus sign over here on the top right of your screen. Click on that. And it's going to ask you what kind of website do you want to create. For this first part, we're going to be creating everything from scratch. So what we're going to do is go to other, click on choose a template over here. Just click on the right side. And then we're going to go to blank templates. Now, again, they do have a lot of cool other templates you can choose from over here. And that is a fun part of it because, you know, you can kind of already have these designs here. But I really just wanted to go over some of the blank templates and create a site from scratch with you. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on edit over here under this start from scratch site template. And I'm just going to take some time to show you the editor. Okay, because it's going to be important to know where things are at, understand kind of what things are, etc. Now you can watch this video. It's going to give you a brief introduction. It's very professional, all that, but I'm gonna break it down for you too. All right, so check this out. This is your layout of the page. This is a simple, one-sider. Some of the things you want to keep in mind here that you have the undo and redo buttons. That's very important. There's an aspect right here where you can switch to mobile, meaning you can see what your site will look like on your telephone or a tablet. That's important. We'll go over that later. You can zoom out and reorder here. This is if you want to actually upgrade to a higher package, like a premium package. So Wix does cost if you want to remove their ads. It is free if you want to create a site for free. I'm going to be going over that later as far as the different packages you want to select. You got help, you got tools, okay, and then this is basically a manager right here where you can kind of see all the different aspects of the site in a different level. Okay, so you see an upgrade here, you see an upgrade there. It's just another way to break down things. You can save here, preview your site here, and publish it to the world here. And then let's kind of go over these things here. Okay, so you have menus and pages. This is where you're going to see, you're talking about the 5 elements of a beat site. This is where you can set up your different pages. So like, for instance, your home or your beat store might be one category. The about or bio might be another one. Okay. Your licensing terms and conditionings. This is where you set all that up. Okay. Here is your background. So for instance, all of this stuff right here, everything is white right now. But say if I wanted my background to be like something cool like this is where you're going to change the background. All right, this is where your site's going to be. This is where the background of everything. For now, we're going to just leave this white, but that's where you can do that. You can upload, you can do like change it with a color. You can upload an image for your background. You can see I've already uploaded here. This is my logo. But to say if you wanted to upload something, you just go to upload and then find it on your computer. Fairly simple here. Okay. And then upload it. Again, I'm going to go over some of this later, but that kind of looks horrible. So that's not what we're going to be doing. But I just wanted to basically show you on that. You can also have a video back here playing in the background. So say if you're in the studio and you just want to kind of have people see you vibing out in the studio while they're scrolling to your site and look of beats, that might be a good option. We'll go over that later. Here's where you can start adding your different elements like text, images, photos or gallery, vector art, shapes. I mean, the list goes on. This is where you can also put your email, you can embed your beat stores. There's a lot of different aspects of the site. This is really going to be your main part right here, this plus sign. Okay. You can add apps here, uploads here, start blogging, bookings. Okay. But for the purposes of this course, really, we're going to just be using the add section, changing the background, and then editing the menus and the pages. We're not going to be focusing on the apps, my uploads, start blogging, and all this. So this gives you a better rundown of what we're going to be focusing on is these 3 areas right here. This right here as well is another little aspect of things. I don't necessarily focus on that as much, so I could click off that. But it's just a basic rundown of everything, okay? I wanted to show you where everything's at, kind of to show you, some of the different stuff we're going to be, operating out of over on this left side of the screen over here. But as we start creating the site, you're going to see me using these tools, and I'll explain all this and everything like that, okay?